that daily cup of coffee you cherish. For millions over 60, it might be silently accelerating muscle aging. But what if it could also be the key to unlocking its hidden, age-defying power more effectively than many complex anti-aging routines? Hello, I'm Dr. Kenji Sato, founder of the Senior Wellness Center. For decades, I've dedicated my work to one simple truth. Aging does not have to mean decline. My mission is to give you the science-backed tools to reclaim your strength and vitality. Too often, we're told that getting weaker is inevitable. I'm here to show you that's not true. With the right knowledge, you can transform simple daily habits, like your morning coffee, into a powerful force for rebuilding your body from the inside out. After the age of 60, our bodies begin a process called sarcopenia. It's a natural part of aging, where we can lose up to 8% of our muscle mass every single decade. It happens so gradually, many of us don't even notice it until it's already a problem. This isn't just a number on a chart. It's the reason why grocery bags feel heavier, stairs become more daunting, and the fear of a fall quietly creeps into the back of our minds. It's a slow erosion of our physical freedom and, most importantly, our independence. But here is the shocking truth I've discovered in overlooked medical journals. When combined with the right natural ingredients, that very same cup of coffee transforms from a simple morning ritual into a powerful muscle-rebuilding medicine. These are simple, affordable secrets that big supplement companies hope you'll never find, because there's no billion-dollar patent on them. But their effectiveness is backed by solid science, hidden in plain sight. Today, I'm going to reveal 6 of the most powerful additions you can stir into your coffee each morning, ranked from number 6 all the way down to the most impactful one at number 1. And be sure to watch until the very end. The addition at number 4 has been shown in studies to improve mobility by over 40% in seniors. And the number 1 spot is perhaps the most potent natural inflammation fighter on the planet. Before we begin, I'd love to know a little about you. In the comments below, tell me your age and what your biggest health goal is right now. I read every single comment, and your stories inspire our work here at the center. Number 6. Cocoa powder. Forget sugary, hot chocolate. Unsweetened cocoa is a secret superfood for your circulation. It's packed with potent plant compounds called flavonols, which are scientifically proven to enhance blood flow. For seniors, healthy circulation is vital. As we age, reduced blood flow starves our muscles of oxygen and nutrients, causing that heavy leg feeling and sapping our energy. Cocoa directly helps to counteract this decline. Take Evelyn, 72. Her daily walks had become a chore, and she dreaded how sluggish her legs felt. Skeptical at first, she tried her grandson's suggestion, a spoonful of unsweetened cocoa in her coffee. Coffee and cocoa. She thought it was a strange idea, but within weeks, she was amazed. Her walks felt lighter, her stamina improved, and her energy returned. It was a simple tweak that restored the joy in her morning routine and made her feel years younger on her feet. The science is fascinating. Flavonols improve endothelial function, which is your blood vessels' ability to relax and widen. Combined with coffee's caffeine, you get a 1-2 punch. An energy boost plus better nutrient delivery right where your muscles need it. The trick is to use about 1 teaspoon of unsweetened, natural cocoa powder. This is crucial. Avoid the sugar-filled hot chocolate mix. Pure cocoa powder gives you all the benefits without the empty calories that work against your health goals. This proves that strength is also about circulation. While cocoa delivers oxygen, our next item provides a powerful, clean energy source to put that oxygen to work. Number 5. Coconut oil, or its more concentrated form, MCT oil. Think of this as clean-burning, premium fuel for your body and your brain. It's a simple addition that provides a unique kind of long-lasting energy. As we age, our cells can struggle to use glucose for energy, leading to that all-too-common afternoon slump and brain fog. MCTs bypass this completely. They are quickly converted into ketones, a superior energy source that provides steady, crash-free power to your muscles and mind. Let me tell you about Harold, 69. He was stuck in a cycle of morning coffee jitters, followed by an energy crash, always reaching for sugary snacks by 11 a.m. When his son suggested adding oil to his coffee, Harold scoffed. "I don't want a greasy mess," but he tried it. The result? His energy stayed level all morning. The sugar cravings vanished, And over 2 months, he was shocked to find he'd lost stubborn belly fat without even trying. He felt sharper and more in control of his day than he had in years. The key is to start small, just 1 teaspoon blended into your hot coffee. Using a blender is the secret. It creates a creamy, latte-like texture, not an oily one. For the best results, look for a pure MCT oil derived only from coconuts, as it offers the most potent benefits. So, while MCT oil provides clean fuel for your muscles, our next edition delivers the essential raw materials they need to not just function, but to actually repair and grow stronger. Let's move on to number 4. Number 4. Collagen powder. Remember what I said at the beginning? This is the one. A groundbreaking study found it can improve mobility in seniors by over 40%, yet it remains one of the most overlooked secrets for staying active. Think of collagen as the glue that holds your body together. It's the primary protein in your muscles, tendons, ligaments, and joints. After 60, our natural production plummets, leading to stiffness, achy joints, and slower recovery. Take Robert, age 70. His greatest joy was his garden, but chronic knee pain had made kneeling impossible. He told me he felt like his body was betraying him, stealing away his passion. He was deeply frustrated. On a neighbor's advice, he started adding collagen to his coffee. Within 2 months, the change was remarkable. He could kneel again without that familiar groan of pain. For Robert, it wasn't just a supplement. It was the key that unlocked his freedom to move and do what he loves. The science is clear. Collagen provides the specific amino acids, like glycine and proline, that your body desperately needs to repair this connective tissue. And coffee is the perfect delivery system, as its caffeine boost helps circulate these building blocks throughout your body. A landmark 2022 study confirmed that seniors supplementing with collagen reported significantly reduced joint discomfort and greater flexibility. For the best results, look for an unflavored, hydrolyzed collagen powder. This type is specifically designed to dissolve seamlessly into hot coffee, so you won't even know it's there. While collagen rebuilds your body's framework, our next edition focuses directly on activating muscle growth itself. Number 3. Whey protein powder. Now, many seniors believe protein powder is just for bodybuilders, but research shows it's even more critical for adults over 60. This is a true game changer for rebuilding lost strength. Here's why. After 60, our bodies develop something called anabolic resistance. In simple terms, your muscles become less responsive to the protein you eat. They need a stronger, clearer signal to repair and grow. Whey protein provides that exact signal. Whey is exceptionally rich in an amino acid called leucine. Leucine is the master switch that activates your body's muscle-building machinery. Without enough of it, the protein you consume won't be used effectively to build lean tissue. Take Helen, 67. She was proud of her active lifestyle, but noticed her arms looked thinner and carrying laundry felt like a chore. When her son suggested whey in her coffee, she resisted, worried it would taste like chalk. After a few weeks of adding just 1 scoop, she was a believer. Her arms felt firmer, and the stairs no longer left her winded. It was the proof she needed that her body could still get stronger, not just weaker. And science backs this up powerfully. One study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who supplemented with whey protein gained an astonishing 38% more lean muscle mass than those who didn't. The key is to stir 1 scoop of an unflavored whey isolate into your hot coffee. The isolate form is more refined and virtually lactose-free, making it perfect for those with sensitive stomachs. It delivers pure muscle-building power without the digestive upset. Number 2. Chia seeds. They may be tiny and tasteless, but don't let their size fool you. These seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, delivering a powerful trio of fiber, healthy omega-3 fats, and plant-based protein in every spoonful. Here's why they're so effective. The protein helps preserve precious muscle mass. The omega-3 fatty acids are incredible for reducing inflammation and protecting your joints. And the high fiber content improves digestion and helps balance blood sugar, all while keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer. This combination is a direct solution to a surprising truth. Most seniors consume less than half the daily fiber and omega-3 south their bodies require. This deficiency can speed up muscle decline and worsen memory loss. Meets George, 70. He struggled with constipation and a creeping belly fat that zapped his energy. When his daughter, a nutritionist, suggested adding chia seeds to his coffee, he laughed and said, "That's bird food." But weeks later, he was shocked by the results. His digestion improved dramatically, his waistline slimmed down, and his joints felt less stiff on his morning walks. He described it best, saying, "I feel like I oiled my engine from the inside out." Now, here is the secret to unlocking their power. You must grind them first. Whole chia seeds can pass through your system undigested. Grinding them in a coffee or spice grinder right before use ensures your body can fully absorb all of their amazing nutrients. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground chia creates a creamy, slightly nutty drink that works like medicine for your entire body. But while chia provides this nutritional foundation, our #1 addition is the most powerful way to fight the root cause of age-related decline. And now, for our #1 addition, turmeric with black pepper. This golden duo might look like a simple spice mix, but for seniors, it's arguably the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory you can add to your daily routine. Chronic inflammation is the hidden thief of strength after 60. It silently damages muscle tissue, stiffens joints, and even harms our arteries and brain health, accelerating the very decline we are working so hard to prevent. Turmeric's power comes from a compound called but here's the catch, your body barely absorbs it on its own. However, adding just a tiny pinch of black pepper, which contains piperine, skyrockets absorption by an incredible 2,000%. This is the secret that turns a simple spice into a medicinal powerhouse. Take Satoshi, 73, a passionate gardener. He was forced to give up his hobby due to constant knee pain and swelling. Painkillers only masked the discomfort, leaving him feeling hopeless and disconnected from the activity he loved. His daughter suggested he try this golden duo in his coffee. Within weeks, he was back, kneeling in the soil, pulling weeds without pain. His doctor was stunned by his improved inflammation markers, telling him he moved like a much younger man. For Satoshi, it was his ticket back to freedom. To get these benefits, simply stir about half a teaspoon of turmeric and a small pinch of ground black pepper into your hot coffee. The warmth helps release the curcumin. For those who want the perfect ratio every time, a quality pre-mixed organic blend can make it incredibly simple. Before we close, an important note. This video is for educational purposes only. Every person's health is unique, so please consult with your trusted medical professional before making any significant changes to your diet. So, to recap, we've covered 6 powerful additions to turn your morning coffee into medicine for your muscles. The circulation-boosting cocoa, the clean energy of MCT oil, the joint-repairing collagen, the muscle-building whey, the nutrient-dense chia seeds, and the inflammation-fighting turmeric. Now it's your turn. Which of these will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. To make it easy for you, I've researched and curated a list of high-quality, effective products for each ingredient. You can find that list in the first pinned comment below this video. And if you enjoyed this content and want to continue your journey to a healthier life, check out the videos appearing on your screen now. I'm sure they'll help you immensely. Click on one of them, and I'll see you there. Remember, aging doesn't have to mean getting weaker. With the right daily habits, you can wake up every morning stronger and more energized. Your morning coffee can either fuel decline or rebuild your future. The choice is yours.